Whatever your business size, organic growth is hard. Where will the next level of productivity improvements come from? Tracking orders in one set of spreadsheets, whilst maintaining customers in another, then managing your financials in a completely different accounting system. And the bigger you get, the more complex it becomes. 365 for Finance and Operations connects your business like never before. It's a complete business management solution with small to medium businesses in mind. Financials, sales, purchasing, inventory, project services automation, it's all here. So that you can see your entire business in one place. Looks like cash flow is on track for this month. You can easily spot when stocks are running low and need ordering, or when customers hit their credit limits. And it's easy to manage your business on the go, all from a tablet or phone. Looks like you received a new order. Here's the invoice. And now let's send it to the customer, all without leaving Outlook. Dynamics 365 for Finance and Operations helps you get more done in less time. And business leaders across the UK are now realising the potential of bringing people, data and processes together to meet boardroom challenges head on.